Hi everyone, Arisa here, Marketing Manager at SimpleVoIP, and today we're going to be discussing the future of customer support and UCaaS. And who better to talk to about it than our very own Director of Customer Support, Simon Newkirk. Hi Simon!
Hello, how's it going?
Very interested in kind of learning more about emerging trends with regards to customer support and how, businesses have been adapting as well as how Simple VoIP has been adapting. But before we talk about that, can you give us a little bit of an introduction about
Um,
yourself?
I am currently a senior systems engineer and the director of support here at SimpleVoIP. I've been with SimpleVoIP for almost 6 years now. Basically, my whole life has been customer support. So I'm really excited to talk about it today, actually. From a big company perspective, I see a lot of AI is going to change the way that customers interface with them directly. And that is, I don't think that there's going to be as much direct interfacing with a real human. Whereas these boutique services or smaller companies, there's going to be a lot of AI in the background,
Mhm.
helping real humans help other real humans. From the perspective of a customer, like obviously I'm a customer of a billion different places. Like I don't know, you go to Chick-fil-A, I'm a customer of them,
Chick-fil-A,
or yeah, like
Qdoba.
Qdoba, like whatever it is, right? I'm a customer of a bunch of places, and when I have an inherent expectation when I go anywhere, I want to either receive a product or receive a service, and exchange money for that. And ideally, the experience of that is pleasant. I think that a lot of people, especially in technology, they want someone that understands, especially from an end user perspective, that they're not a tech professional and they just need someone like a real human being to talk to them and like answer their questions and do it not, like in a, like smiling. Like if I'm smiling and I'm talking to you on the phone, you can actually tell,
Mhm.
right? And that's one of the things that we train our support people on is like just like smile and like be happy to be helping someone. That's what I find 90% of people care far more about than how good is your AI chatbot. That's
Mhm.
really cool for some people, right? If I experience a really good chatbot from one of our vendors, like I might be able to answer 90% of my questions. That's really cool, but not everything can be handled by AI. There's going to be some subset of people that might actually just disagree. Like, give me a chatbot or a computer all the time. I'm like, well, most people are social. Like, we're humans, right?
Yeah.
So let's talk. So at SimpleVoIP, like one of the things that we really have focused on is how
Mhm.
AI helps our employees do their job better, right? So we're not necessarily focusing on how AI interacts with our customers. We want our people to interact with our customers. And if our AI can help our people do their job better, faster, more accurately, that's what we're focusing on. So we use Copilot, right? Copilot's one of the best things that I think I've ever started using where if I know a document exists somewhere and a customer is asking for this document, right? Copilot will actually search for that for you. AI helps us do the job faster so that we can get better, more accurate human responses to our customers. And so, one of the things that we've always focused on is reducing busy work and like repeatable tasks. One of the things that's very obvious is if you're doing a task repeatedly and it takes X amount of time, you should be raising your hand and saying, hey, I think we should build like a tool or like a process for this, right? One of the things that's helped just our business in general is these processes. It's going to make training easier, onboarding easier. Whenever we have like a new product, for example, we know where that product is going to live and how we're going to support it. And so we're already anticipating like what kind of problems we could have with it. And that helps us understand like staffing needs, right?
Mhm.
90% of the problem with scaling is determining what you need for staff.
Mm.
And because of the processes that we've built and that we follow and that we are actually like repeatedly looking at, we're like, does this still work? Does this still work? We're able to like far better understand our needs from a
Mhm.
business perspective. So that's what we really focus on is kind of those two things. Do our processes work? And do we have the personnel needed for the amount of customers that we have? A lot of our customers run call centers, right? And
Mhm.
so It's really important for those people to know how many people they need to have online answering phones at a given time.
Mhm.
And what's really cool is we've been able to use our own tools to understand, all right, what's our peak times that people are calling in? Do we ever miss a call? Why are people calling, right? And all of these tools are available, through our own call center platform, not even just call center, just regular call handling.
Right.
And those help us make decisions as well. The biggest thing that's going to change and really be necessary for teams to support their people best is extremely robust and accurate documentation that
Mhm.
is kind of the back end knowledge base for AI, right? So
Mhm.
even now, this is totally possible. You can build and train an LLM, large language model. You can train it on your own documentation. And one of the things that we're unironically super grateful for is that we've over documented everything. Everyone at SimpleVoIP will I've done a task one time. I should build a document on how to do it again.
Thank you so much for spending some time with me to talk about the future of customer support and kind of letting me pick your brain. Stay tuned, guys, for the next video. I'm going to be talking to our very own account manager, Casey McManus, about all things account management. But again, thank you, Simon, for your time today.
Of
And
course.
yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, have a simply fantastic day. Bye.
Bye.